Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. In today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a few items that I received this week from Coach. Sorry about not being able to put out another video this week. I was extremely busy. I had a promotion at my job, so I started my new position last week. I had a big huge meeting yesterday with some vice presidents in my company, directors and other leaders. So I was preparing pretty much for that outside of the holidays last week. This week I just spent this week preparing for my meeting yesterday. So that pretty much took up a lot of my time, and then on top of my actual work duties, being a mom, wife, and just trying to live. So this week has just been crazy, hectic, so I haven't been able to do any videos on these items, but I'm going to go ahead and unbox these right now. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Alright you guys, so I'm going to start in order from like the smallest to the largest. I have this packaging right here, one of those little slim envelopes. You already know it's going to be an accessory. This popped up on the website. It's in the true pink color. And so I decided, let me go ahead and get it. I didn't get any of the other items in the true pink. I wasn't really a big fan of it, but I thought that maybe I can get this card case and maybe I would like the true pink. So I'm going to show you this. This is the true pink card case. The color looks like, I don't know, like a plum color. It's not my favorite color of pink, you guys, I have to be honest. So I am not going to be keeping this. This is not, you know, I like the lighter pinks from Coach. You can see that. I'm a fan of the lighter colors. This color, this shade, because I don't have anything else in this color, this wouldn't really go with anything in my collection. I mean, I could make it work, but I'm not really trying to. So, unfortunately, as pretty as this is, I do think the color is pretty, but it doesn't go with anything in my collection, and I just don't want to have another SLG laying around. I have a ton of these things now. So, but just wanted to show this to you. Going to be wrapping that up and returning this back to Coach. But this is one of the items that I did get. Alright you guys, so the next item that I have is in this packaging right here. This actually came from a Coach store like this. They sent it in a bag. I thought that was really nice. I have never gotten the item mailed to me in a bag. It came wrapped up. I told you all I ordered that puffy Rowan, and I ordered the little card case to go with it. So this is the card case that goes with that. You can see that light pink color, so pretty. This has silver hardware. I'll show you these two side by side. You see the light pink, this is prettier than this to me. This one is still not my favorite, but I wanted to have something in this light pink, so I did get this to go with the Rowan bag. So I at least have one matching accessory. I like to be matchy-matchy with my accessories and handbags, so this one was the one that I picked. It was like $35 on sale. So another zip feature. This one I think is nicer than the other ones, you guys. This has like a microfiber type of interior. These don't. These come with like a cotton. Oh no, they are microfiber. Okay, so this has like a microfiber-ish type of interior, that brown. Okay, so two card cases that I got. Alright you guys, so let's move on to the biggest and last item that I received in the mail. It's in this box right here. This actually came from the Coach Boutique. I had been obsessing over another version like this. It was at Macy's. It went on sale. I hesitated to buy it thinking, oh, it'll be there when I come back home. I can purchase it on my computer. Lo and behold, when I got home, they had sold out of it, and I was so upset. And this one popped up on the Coach website. It wasn't the one I wanted, but I decided I'm going to get it. So, and just kind of see how it's going to work in this box right here. Y'all know the Coach boxes come with the Coach logo, and it feels like something is rolling around. The card, Coach card, the thank you card. It's got this. I'm gonna go ahead and get the item out. It's very nicely wrapped. I'll show you. Here it is, and it's dust bag. You can see it's pink. This is the Coach Cary. I'm gonna have to put the name on the screen. Cary shoulder bag. Yes, this one is the Coach Cary soft pebble leather shoulder bag, and it's in the bubblegum color. So pretty. This is a big bag, you guys. I was hesitant on buying this. It was the only one left, so I was really unsure. Don't carry bags this big. I do carry tote bags, but typically I'm carrying like a laptop, a lot of things in there for travel or going to the office. This is not a bag that I would be carrying like work items in. It really is a purse, so I was really unsure about getting a purse this large to just carry around. It does come with a shoulder strap, so I think that that's nice. You put the shoulder strap, you attach it like this on the bag. The other bag that I was looking at getting is a shorter version. It's a crossbody version. This does have a longer strap that comes with it to be a crossbody, but it is too big. I'll show you what this looks like as a shoulder carry if I can. You can see how that's looking. Sorry about that brightness of the light. Let's see if that will adjust. There we go. You can see how this sits comfortably. It's very comfortable, you guys. I love how comfortable this feels under my arm. Feels very natural. Really easy to carry. If I'm wearing a dress like this, it won't be sliding off my shoulders. So it's a very nice carry. But I would typically carry my bags like this anyway because I just don't like it sliding off my shoulders. So I always carry my bags like this. But if I have to do it like this, then I can. Very nice. Very pretty. Gold hardware. So I told myself I would get this bag, see how I like it, and then determine from there if I'm going to keep it. I have been searching for the other bag. It's sold out. I can't get it. I missed out. I'm kicking myself for it. As stated, this does come with a long strap. I'm going to attach the strap to the bag so that you can kind of see. This makes it a crossbody. I'll insert some pictures of how this bag looks on the model on Coach's website, which is, seeing it on there is what kind of, I was like, I don't want a crossbody bag that long, but I at least have the option to carry it as a crossbody if I should need to. I am only 5'2½", so this would be very long on me. I can shorten it up, but the awkwardness size of this purse is what would kind of just be way too much as a crossbody anyway. So one of the things that I wanted to get this bag for was because I used to have the Louis Vuitton. It's not the Graceful. I forget what it's called. I'm gonna have to go back and search what the name of that bag was, but it was like the Graceful bag. This is in the shape, it's a hobo style bag like the Graceful. Has the large opening. It's stuffed right now, so let me take out the stuffing. Beautiful brown interior. Not too dark. Would still be easy to find things in there. It has two pockets. Pocket right here. Pocket right here. And let me see. Is that a pocket or a button closure? On the other side, there is some type of snap button closure right there. There we go. The snap button closure on this side. So this reminded me a lot of the Louis Vuitton Neverfull Graceful bag. And so I thought, you know what, let me get this bag, see how I like the bag in person, and then I can go from there again. It does have a pocket on the back. Is in that gold hardware. I would consider this like that brushed gold hardware, aged gold. It's very pretty. It's not a shiny gold. Pocket right there. And I'll try to get a close-up of that gold. You can see that gold. And this is in sunlight, you guys. So, brushed gold. The hardware to me is so pretty. This is my favorite type of hardware on a Coach bag. It's a lot like the, if you've seen the unboxing I did on this with the Madison, the Coach Madison 18 bag, that aged brushed gold hardware. So pretty. This actually does go with this. It is the same color. So this accessory would go with this bag. So I already have accessories to go with it. And I could wear my Coach Cherries little wristlet to go with this as well. I feel like my Coach Cherries accessories would go really nice with this bag. So, and also my little Nolita 15 would go nice with this bag. It's in a candy pink, but the color looks really good against this. I could wear my other Coach accessories with this. I really like the light khaki with this pink, so I could do this as well. So pretty, you guys. So I'm gonna have to, you know, kind of play with this bag. Not play with it, but kind of just stare at it a little bit, see if I like the bag. It did not come wrapped, so I'm not worried about taking a wrapping off anything. I assume somebody got the bag, maybe returned, didn't like it, or it just came from the store and it was already unwrapped. Nonetheless, I'll be kind of just giving myself some time to determine if I want to keep this bag or not. I did unbox this beauty. I still have this crossbody bag, same color as this bag, but you see the difference in that sizing. This strap on this one is a lot wider. I'll hold these two up. This strap is wider. This is on the crossbody. This strap feels nicer. It's smooth. And this is the material of the bag, like a pebble type of leather. Even though this is like a pebble grain leather material, this is also a pebble grain leather material, and the strap actually feels like that as well. So when I got it, I was like, oh, okay, I didn't think I would like the bag, but I actually do like the bag, surprisingly. Even the size, I think it's a really good size because I can still put like a water bottle in here. You know, I could really use this bag and put a lot of things in here. Makeup bag, I can carry my accessories and I wouldn't be strapped for space. So this would be something new to my collection. I don't have any hobo style bags. I don't have any large shoulder bags. I have my bucket bags from Louis Vuitton, but they don't have zippers on it. This one would be one of the few bags in my collection with a zipper, so she may end up staying for the long haul. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I keep her? Is she a keeper? Should I return this camera bag and keep this one? What do you guys think? Which one should I keep? Which one should I return? You know, I'm looking for suggestions on what to do. I definitely know I like them both, but I think just I definitely don't want to keep them both. Having both of these bags is not an option, so I definitely have to pick one, you guys. All right? All right, you guys, that is it for this video. If you have any questions about any items in this video, definitely comment and leave it down below. Again, let me know what you guys think about which bag I should keep. Do you have any of these bags? How are you loving them? And again, as always, thank you for subscribing. Please subscribe if you are not subscribed to my channel. I would appreciate you joining the family. You all have a good rest of the day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alrighty, bye.